Hang on.
Look at my face. Do I look
Hell
like
yeah.
Yeah,
Okay. Come on, let me heal you up. Nope.
All right. Come on. Go ahead and lock
Wow,
that door.
I never thought I'd say this, but I think I want to hang out with Lewis.
girl, thanks. Thank you.
Yeah,
No problem.
Oh,
Thanks. I owe you a big
no
one.
problem.
No
holy,
possible way.
that's
No.
right.
Ready to roll?
Negatory. No can do. Cut the horse shit.
Lois. Oh, man. No way,
Jesus,
man.
have you ever been to an island?
Shut up,
They're
you
goddamn horrible.
They're defensible, friend. Both of you, shut up.
Oh,
Bill,
shit.
I can
you
go
know
find
I'd
a boat on my
appreciate it
own.
if
They're
you
not the
stopped
only
shooting
ones.
me.
Speak up, son. They didn't have electricity when I was born. Noted.
I'm not talking to any guy. I'm
Keep your
going
computers,
Bill!
emails, whatever.
You're
just
kidding, right?
Give me a spitter. Damn right I know how to fish. Francis!
Whoa.
Go tell you what.
Don't
Once
shoot
we clear
me.
the island and settle in,
Bill!
I'll make you.
Hey, hey!
Shut up, Prince. Friend! I'll give you something to cry. Louis! You remember? Sure
That's
thing.
some country
Francis
ass.
is
Sure.
Hey, I ain't the... Oh, thanks.
No. Why you shooting me?
affirmative.
Not a problem.
Yeah.
Thanks for that.
Sure thing. Ain't gonna happen.
got a
God damn it!
Hey, man.
Damn
That's
right
not
I know how to fish. Don't
I always
get too
wanted to
tell you
learn how to
what.
fish.
Tell you what. Once we clear the island and settle
Thanks.
in, I'll make you.
Witch. Shit.
I'll give you something to cry.
No.
Well, you're welcome.
Oh, shit. No. Ooh.
Hey!
Absolutely
Bill!
not.
Will you knock it off?
Oh.
Lewis! Damn it! You knock it off!
Nice job.
Is anyone there? Bill, I'm trapped in here.
Bill.
Let me out.
Hey! Careful!
What the hell? Why you shooting me? Woo!
Oh, yeah!
Charger! Oh, yeah! Who's your mama? Who's your daddy?
Nancy Pete.
Hey, man,
No problem.
Man, I don't like this one.
Lewis!
Where'd everybody go?
God damn it!
Not a chance.
Lock that door. Lock the door, man. Did you lock the door? Lock the damn door.
I said no.
Lock the door.
Whoa!
Bill, go ahead and lock
Someone
that door.
should use their health
Secure that
pack.
weapon. Don't be
Yeah, I get it, Lewis. Bill gets it, for Christ's sake.
Oh, that was
Shit!
Damn, man. Get into
Jesus, have you ever been to an island? They're goddamn Bill!
They're defensible. I can go find a boat. Francis, is that you?
They're not the only. Hey!
Well, you get to talk.
I'm
We're
going.
gonna talk noted. They didn't have electricity. Tell you
Hey,
what,
I ain't the one that
You
thought we could
got
drive. I'm
tired?
going. I hate your good feelings. Is there any one of you four
what
who
we should
isn't
call
an
ourselves?
ass? I'm going. Hey,
yeah.
Bill, I think there's a sailboat in the...
Oh,
Bill!
hell.
Bullshit. Say Bill's an idiot in Japanese. Thanks.
Yosan Bakades.
Aye, aye, Captain. Lewis, if you don't stop being positive, I'm gonna sink the boat just to make
No
you
way,
sad.
man. That was great.
Look, Bill, this boat has wheels.
Thanks, player.
Son, sure thanks.
I think this car will float. You're such a nerd. Why aren't I allowed to shoot Bill?
Hell yeah.
Nesting
I can
birds,
go find a
Bill.
boat on
What?
damn right I know how to fish.
Hey,
always
Bill,
wanted
the
to
sailboat
learn how to
smells
tell
like
you what.
shit.
Everyone,
I'll give
into
you
the
something to
chute.
cry.
Hey, I ain't the one that thought we could drive
no.
a... Yo, Captain Bill,
the
can we
damn
take
door.
this
Lock the
ship?
damn
No,
door.
friend.
Lock the door,
What
man.
about this one? It comes with a truck.
Cut the horse shit.
I think those are Bill's tears.
I'll give you.
God, smells like Bill. Yeah, sandy beaches, coconuts, sand,
Shut up.
beaches, sand. Wait a minute, I hate Zoe. Look, Bill, this boat has wheels.
Son,
me?
that's...
Thanks, man.
Who, me?
Well, you're welcome.
Shoot me.
I'm here.
I know we gotta move. I can feel you.
You know, I would appreciate it.
Hey, that hurts.
Hello.
Let's move.
Ready for some fun?
That's some country
You
ass
ready?
bullshit.
No.
Go ahead.
What about this one? It comes with a truck. What? Where the hell? You're shooting!
Francis!
this.
Go on.
I think this car will float.
Man.
Smoker!
Lewis!
Nice one.
Get it off! What the? What the hell is this?
Holy
Get it off! Get it off!
No way.
Holy
Hello?
shit.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna shoot
Thanks,
you back
brother.
next time.
Please!
Nice
I
one.
need some help!
Lois, look.
No.
No way, man.
Get it off me!
Fire in the hole!
Reloading. Get it off!
Good one.
First aid kit
We
over
got
here.
weapons over here.
First aid kit here.
I'm coming for you.
Watch out!
Watch it!
That was not cool.
Get it off! I'm behind you!
Okay.
I don't think so.
Bill,
What was that?
Heads up! Watch out!
watch out.
Cocktails.
Everyone stop. Hang on. Come. Reloading.
I'm right behind you.
Great!
Yes.
Princess!
Yes.
Even if you stop shooting.
I'm a cop.
Hey, man, that hurt.
No problemo,
Ammo here.
pal.
Boomer.
Hold
Oh,
up
man,
a
you gotta
minute.
be careful. Look at my
Hang
finger.
in there.
Do
I'm
I
coming.
look like Francis?
No hurt. Ow! You having some kind of flashback, old man? You think he's ready for this?
Francis.
No, siree.
Not going well.
That was cool.
Guess I'll follow you.
Where are you? Anybody out there? Is that
Hey, man, that's
son
not.
of a bitch?
No, ma'am.
Hey, can
Sure,
anybody
why not?
bull frickin' horse shit?
Watch out! Whoa, yeah!
Bullshit.
Punk ass aim, bitch. Watch yourself once Francis and Lewis is on
Hang
the
on!
case.
I'm up! Damn right.
Oh, cool.
Check your fire.
Holy shit.
Sorry, kid.
What were you shooting?
Lewis!
Reloading.
Lewis!
Shoot
Yeah,
me!
okay.
Shoot me again! I'm gonna kick you, Bill!
Holy shit!
Shut up, you stupid birds!
Lewis.
Damn it!
Yeah.
One more time, fat man.
Anyone ready to start this one?
Look out!
Zoe! Oh, hey, that is uncalled for.
Boomer, look out!
Watch out!
Boomer, heads up! Boomer, behind you! Boomer, watch out!
Get ready.
Thanks. Zoe!
Behind you. I don't think so.
Can anyone hear me?
Thanks, man. Yeah, that's what I've been saying.
Go ahead.
Everybody ready?
Let's go. Let's go.
Park your ass for a second. Bill!
Oh man, stop shooting me! Damn!
Bill!
What the hell?
Run!
Why you
Come
screaming?
on! Let's
stick
go! Bill!
Shit!
Bill!
Shit!
I got a bad.
Boomer! Do I look like Boomer?
Yes.
Bill!
What the hell, man?
This thing is out of me!
Look out.
Watch out!
Stop for a second!
Game over. Behind you. Sorry.
Damn it!
Behind you. Come on. Stop it.
I always wanted to learn how. Tell you what.
I hate your good feeling. Captain Bill, can we
Jockey!
take this ship?
next
You
time.
know this navigation, Francis.
Behind you!
Right, punk ass island bitch. We
You're kidding, right? Good shot.
Oh yeah, punk ass
Well,
island bitch.
shit. All right.
Where is everyone? Hello? Can
Look out! Watch out!
What's up?
Behind you!
You're such a nerd.
No problem.
Look out! Nice work.
No way, Jose.
Charger!
Get this thing out!
Use your first aid kit.
Healing, cover me.
that was up to
Zoe! Whoa, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, smoker!
They're killing me!
Look out!
You know I appreciate it.
All right.
That's change.
Get this thing off me!
Oh man.
Keep moving! Come on, keep moving!
Everyone stop.
Grenades.
It's been a long